Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders in the Alliance community. I just want to give a quick shout out, as always, to everybody that's watching the video today. Definitely appreciate the support. Make sure you guys mash that subscribe button and ding that bell so you guys get all our notifications when we drop new videos, which is virtually every day of the week. Now, anybody new watching the video or anybody who hasn't taken advantage of our free offer at the end of each video, we have the free ebook. It's called the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts and some things you'll need to know in order to make some money in this industry sooner than later. So let's jump right in, guys. Make sure you stay to the end. I'll explain how to get that free ebook. Okay, so real quick, guys, let's take a look at our first chart. It is up. We're just going to actually, let's go over XRP. So XRP, guys, last time we took a long up here, and after the first trade was here, second trade was here, and the third trade was up here above the 200 MA right after this candle here, and we lost that trade. Okay, but after I went under the 200 MA, our last video was last week, but after we went under the 200 MA and we denied it, and these things crossed, other MAs crossed over, we stayed below the 200. What I did was take a short right in here, back to the trend line. Okay, I thought we were going to get all the way to the trend line, but we did not. I always take it about halfway. So right when we got down into this buy area here, off this trend line, this yellow area, I went ahead and took profit, and then we went long right off the trend line on a smaller chart though, just because we were trying to get that good entry. We went long off this trend line. Okay, so now we've left it alone after the weekend. I don't really trade too much on the weekends, but we've been staying in between this buy zone here and this trend line. Okay, we drew another trend line here because this is most effective. This top trend line is going to be our sort of our target still, because we're going to reach that, but we need to get out of this trend line that's forming here, and then we've got some higher highs and some higher lows here. So I think this is a very good entry point here. If you can catch it off this trend line here or in this yellow area here, that'd be the best. Maybe wait for this candle to close, another tap off the trend line before we see a nice break outside. Normally, I would wait for it to break and come in and retest, but I think there's a great long opportunity on a leverage trade to get 3 or 4% here on the spike, then get out, and then wait for the retest, maybe even come back down into this area, but it will retest this trend line before we get to the top trend line, which is our major target up here at 33.5 and then 34.5 before ultimately reaching 35.5. But the trend line's our main concern. You see we have a big trend line touch here, 1, 2, and then we went on the inside trend line here, 1, 2, 3, and we've been consolidating in and under, over and under this 200 MA. It's a very flat line right now. I do believe this is a great entry area. So those of you who are looking long, you can see the 1, the 2, the 3 touch here. After this closes, it'd be pretty safe to say that we're going to see some upside motion, and that we should see a nice spike up and above this 200 and up and above this trend line. But you're going to see a spike down after that. So those of you who are margin trading, take your profits at the top here, get back in down here. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing real quick. Okay, so this is a daily chart on Bitfinex. These are my zones here. One zone down here, 38. One zone up here at 42. Big areas we need to get past. As you can see, we've had a 1 spike, a 2 spike, a 3 spike. We've had a 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels up before we came crashing down to retest. Okay, we're going to see another level up. You guys can see we consolidated here, back into this area. This is the first spike. Okay, so this wick constitutes a nice buying zone. It was a resistance zone. Okay, now it's a buying zone. As long as we don't come back down past this buy area, structure's okay. Okay, because we went up, we came down, tested this area. We're looking for that next leg up and out above 42.50. Okay, so right now we see this black line I've drawn here. This was resistance. We couldn't get through this after the big, manipulative drop down. We saw a lot of consolidation here in this buy zone. Nothing past this area. Notice it came here, buyers pushed it up. Came here, buyers pushed it up. Second touch of the trend line. We're looking for that third touch. We'll probably see some sideways action. A third touch in here. As long as we stay above this black resistance line right here, this is actually now support. We need to stay above support. We need confluence to build. A great confluence would be touching this trend line for a third time before breaking out, retesting, and seeing the new leg above these highs here, up and above 4,500 area. Um, so on XRP, we're looking for it's looking very much like upside. Bitcoin's looking very much like upside. We can see the nice volume here that we're getting in these candles. Beautiful trade happening here. Beautiful setup. I want to see confluence. I want to see a third touch of this trend line before we blast off. Again, this is another good buying area. We want to see this 4-hour, or excuse me, this daily candle close above this support, and then it would kind of give us confirmation. But I would really like to see, like I said, to come over and get a third touch of this trend line. Could take a couple days for that to happen. Um, or it could spike down and touch it today around the 3,800 region before closing back up and above 3,900, the 4K area, and then another leg happening to the upside. Anything could happen. A manipulative spike like this could happen, but the technicals are saying we're looking for another leg up. Everything is looking good. The structure is looking good on this little upside rally we have here. So keep your eyes open. Let this daily candle come down and touch for a third time. That would give us real good confirmation. Let it close up and above here to take along to the upside. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. We're going to be doing a lot more charts on some of the top 5 crypto because, you know, where Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum go, the rest of the market tends to follow, especially Bitcoin and XRP. Those are the two that I mainly follow every day. Charts are looking very clean. We're going to keep them like this. I want you guys to try to draw your charts like ours. So every day when you do the breakdown with us, you're kind of trading alongside of us. So, you know, we were trading down in a downtrend for a long time with this wedge right here. You can see this descending wedge right here. And now we're trading to the upside. I mean, it's just how it goes, guys. We got a higher high, a higher low here, you know, a higher high here. We're looking for that next bounce up and out to break out of this resistance, to break out of these areas, and to see a nice rally to the upside. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys come back every day. Make sure you mash that subscribe button, mash that like button if you like the value we gave away today. We're looking for some more upside in Bitcoin and XRP, which will make the rest of the market follow. So, scroll down, guys. Anybody that's new or hasn't watched the video yet, look at that link in the description below. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. Click that link, get your free ebook. Okay. After you receive the ebook, there's going to be a video that comes along with it. This is Cody Sperber himself, the clever investor. Okay, he's the one bringing us all these opportunities. He's got some more free things for you, an entire training course that we put together for you guys to learn how to trade in this market. Totally free to you guys. Make sure you take advantage of it, along with the free ebook that I'm giving away today. Cody Sperber's got way more than that, so make sure you guys take advantage of that link. Click it if you haven't yet. If you've watched the videos and just haven't clicked it, you're missing out on some huge free value. Those of you that are first time, make sure you click it now. Don't waste any time, and we will talk to you guys on the next Bitcoin breakdown.